All right, welcome everybody. It's Miss Eveline. I'm glad you're joining us today. We just finished our baby lab sit and I wanted to get on and record a video of how to do our peekaboo board. So we have Mr. Tiger here. Hello. Yes, thank you for joining me. So I wanted to use the peekaboo board based on the animal print theme. We have our peekaboo board here for us to create. So we're going to start by showing you what you're going to get in your activity bag. That'll look like this, okay? So you'll get a cardboard, you'll get 6 pieces of felt, and the animal print flashcards with the matching animal. Ta-da! Yes, I gave these to you as a template. You can use whatever animal or print you have. If you have material at home, if you have something else that you want to create, go ahead and use that. I just wanted to give you what I found worked with the actual felt print size, 4x4, okay? So what we did is, we're gonna turn it over this way. I used a glue gun. So if you have a glue gun, great. If you don't, that is okay too. What we're going to do, which we started off here, and you're gonna decide whichever way you want to create your flannel board. Do you want it laying this way, or do you want it this way? So whichever way you go, that's the way you're gonna keep it going. Here we go, we're gonna place our cardboard here, place your felt here. You can use a glue gun, and you're gonna put the glue gun here and then secure down, okay? Or you can try the glue. I didn't try this one. I found it kind of sticked, but then it could fall off a lot easier. I use masking tape, which works just fine too. If you don't have tape, that's okay. I'm not going to provide the tape for you. I apologize for that. I didn't have enough to do that, but we can go ahead and place our flannel like so. And you take your thing. I did give you a glue stick, so that'll be in your bag as well. The paper did stick securely to the felt. And then underneath, place it where you want it to go first. Grab your glue stick. There you go. Continue on with your next animal print and pattern. And it doesn't matter which way or which ones you go first. It's just a matter of whichever you pick up and you have the matching animal print. And don't worry, sometimes you just gotta put a little bit of pressure to make it hold it in place, to let it stick. Lift up. And always be careful which way you are gluing and turning your animal. I turned mine accidentally the wrong way once, and that wasn't fun. Do one more. I like this one. This one's gonna be nice. Again, glue. Okay, there you go. I like this. This is really gonna be cute. You are gonna have a crayon inside of the bag, so the little ones can write either a letter on each top of the tape if you want, their name across the board. But in the end, it should actually look like this. So you have all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 animal prints, and they're matching animal inside. See, that's what, if you turn the board this way, you're gonna look like this. If you make it this way, I had one in here. It was the first one. I did make a mistake, so it happens. Don't worry. There's the cat. This way is the cheetah. So there it is. Lots of fun. It'll be your very own peekaboo board. I kind of liked it this way. I think I was going for this way, and I happened to cut the shapes too big or too small. So I pre-cut everything for you. So you don't have to worry about it. Will it fit? Will it won't fit? I've done that work for you. So they should be here, ready and available. You just come in on Monday and pick those up. And just like the one we did last month, which was the letter maze. I hope you guys did that one and enjoyed that one. That one was circles and string, and you just learned the letter maze or colors as well. So with this one, your child will be learning colors, patterns, and animals, as well as developing their memory skills and also their cognitive skills, which is thinking, analyzing, just trying to figure it out. I love when that little brain works. So lots of fun. Hope you enjoy this month's craft. It is while supplies last. So we want to thank the Friends of the Escondido Library for sponsoring this craft and providing the material for you. So thank you for joining us, and hope you have fun. And post your boards when you're finished. Tag the library. Put it on Instagram. We'd love to see what you've created. You don't have to put your baby's picture. If you just put the baby hovering over if you want to keep it safe, and just show us what you've created. I would love to see that. All right, everybody, thank you for joining us. Mr. Tiger says thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. He's such a drama queen. I know. All right, see you next time.